So the first course I took was the conversion course. I found the online aspect of it, like it suited what I needed.
I learned about the terminologies of the pharma industry. For example, the good manufacturing practice, which filters down to what I am currently doing. I even used the CV and the cover letter that I did as part of my assignment and tailored it to the job that I applied for. And I am really glad to say that I got 3 positions.
I really thank GetReskilled for helping me throughout the conversion course. Because if I didn't get a help and if I didn't get this course, I wouldn't be in the job that I was dreaming of.